I'm here to present the future of space. I'm Adrian, CEO of Kreios Space. Satellites currently in orbit are placed at 500 kilometers. By lowering them to 200 kilometers, we could cut down the cost to a half and increase up to 16 times the resolution for Earth observation images and telecommunication data transmission. Unfortunately, this is currently impossible to do, since below 500 kilometers, there are still remaining traces of air from the atmosphere, which makes the satellites fall much faster. At 500 kilometers, they last up to 10 years in orbit. At 200, less than a week, implying a huge cost for the satellite operating companies. That's exactly where Kreios Space comes in, proposing the first all-electric propulsion system for satellites, which only uses air and solar energy. This technology will allow the satellites to establish at 200 kilometers thanks to removing the need for fuel, implying a huge new market for the satellite industry. This technology has been already validated in laboratory. And this technology, the feasibility of this technology has been already validated in the most recognized private space lab in Europe at the University of Stuttgart. And we already have 200 million euros in future revenue as LOIs and MOUs from space companies, which demonstrates the need of the market to use this solution. We are going to the market by 2026, and to do so, we are currently raising a $500,000 private equity round, which will be complemented with another €500,000 of non-dilutive public funding. And we are also raising a €2 million round by the end of 2024. We are Kreios Space, and we are here to get the space a step closer. Thank you very much.
You were telling me, I just prepared for 2. Okay, judges, questions, please. Anyone? Questions over there.
Thank you, and congratulations for what you've achieved so far.
Thank you.
Just a quick question regarding the current customers that you've secured. What's the segmentation, would you say, of these customers with regards to startups, like new constellations that are upcoming versus established players that have already their secured funding to launch their satellites into orbit?
Okay, most of the LOIs come from startups, but the MOU comes from Elecnor-Deimos, one of the biggest space companies in Spain, and in fact now we are negotiating 2 LOIs as well, one with Thales Alenia and another with Telespazio.
Okay, thank you.
May I ask you about the timing? When will the solution be ready for deployment?
By 2026.
Do you have any other questions? This side of the judges? All good? Yeah? Well, big applause to Adrian. Thank you very much, Adrian.